This is question 8 in the research methods topic, and the question says, after signing the consent form, participants were asked to look at a set of photographs of people's faces. After 20 minutes, they were shown a second set of photographs, including the faces they had already seen and some new ones. The participants were asked to identify if they had seen the faces previously. They had a 90% accuracy in recognition. Question 8A is, which research method has been used in this study for 1 mark? And question B is, outline one strength and one weakness of using this method for 4 marks. So when you get a question like this, you need to look to see what the most important pieces of information are to try to work out what research method has been used. So the question is referring to how they looked at a set of photographs of people's faces, and that they were also shown a second set of photographs, and they were asked to identify if they had seen the faces previously. So when you're reading it, you need to think, okay, well, what research method is it likely to be? Is it going to be a lab experiment? Is it going to be an observation? Is it a case study? So question 8 asks you which research method has been used in the study, and there's only 1 mark, so you just need to state what the research method is. And then question B, the command word here is outline, and you just need to outline one strength and one weakness of using that method. And this method means you must make sure that you are evaluating the research method that you refer to in question 8A. So a lab experiment has been used, and you can see that as a lab experiment because they're using a controlled setting and you've got a clear independent and dependent variable. So in terms of evaluating lab experiments, you need to state the strength or the weakness and then explain why clearly it's a strength or a weakness. So lab experiments are very artificial, which means participants may not behave in the same way as they would in an everyday situation. Lab experiments, however, are highly controlled, so this means it will allow you to establish cause and effect. So it's clear there what the strength is with an explanation and what the weakness is with an explanation.